I'm sure that both the investigating agencies have the best investigating minds. When have you been entrusted with this work of investigating this scam? How long are you investigating this? How long will it take to verify this? I'll go one by one. Each and entry I'm going to read over here to point out that you all are not proceeding in the right earnest. I don't know the reason why, but it was something which shocked the conscience of the court, and that is the reason I required their presence. And I am here just, please, I just make it clear that the entire thing is going live streamed. The world is hearing to whatever you will say, and it is being recorded and may be used in future, right? You have a copy of the report with you? Did you not have the required documents with you prior to passing the court's order?
Some of the documents.
Please bring the microphone in front of you so that everybody can hear you.
Some of the documents in respect of sale deeds and copy of deeds in the form of property deed were seized from the premises of the leaps and bounds.
Was seized?
Yes.
When was it seized?
21st August.
21st of
Yes.
August.
Yes.
Apart from seizing a few documents,
Yeah.
did you not take note of the list of assets of the company? Because you have issued a press note saying that this company is involved in dubious transactions. So you must be having some records with you to come to a conclusion that the company is running dubious transactions.
That was the basis of the money trail finding out after the charge sheet filed by the Sujay Krishna Bhadra.
Yes.
Yes. And the scrutiny of the bank accounts, documents of the leaps and bounds.
But then you did not have the list of assets. Now you have one which has been forwarded by the learned advocate representing one of the members of the, or one of the directors
Yes.
of the company.
Yes.
Let us go through it.
Okay.
You have a copy?
Yes.
I'm sure that both the investigating agencies have the best investigating minds. When have you been entrusted with this work of investigating this scam? How long are you investigating this?
June 2022.
June 2022.
Yes.
You did not take, or you did not think it was appropriate to call for the list of assets of these persons?
Ma'am, this company surfaced after the arrest of the Sujay Krishna Bhadra.
And when was he arrested?
He was arrested on 30th May 2023.
Why did you wait from May till August to call for the list of assets of these persons? Why was the requirement of the court to pass an order for calling for the list of assets? It was your duty. The court is simply supervising it. The court is not here to tell you how to investigate, because that is your expertise, right? You see that the supporting documents are not here. Was it not your duty to immediately intimate the person concerned to produce all the documents? And suppose the person does not give you the documents, you know what is the next course of action to be taken? Do you not think that the whatever information that has been provided by way of supplying the list of documents is in the manner of concealing facts, not revealing the actual facts? Does it not appear to you?
These are all being examined, ma'am. These are all being examined, and also we are downloading from the DSR websites and certain information and intelligence, and these are being verified.
How long will it take to verify this? I'll go one by one. Each and entry I'm going to read over here. Land situated without any details. No area, nothing. Next is a first floor. It's only the first floor of premises number such and such. The area of the flat is not there. Date of purchase is not there. From whom purchase it is not there. Whether by inheritance or anything, nothing is there. Third, fourth, second, third, fourth, fifth floor of, I'm going to the next page, of such and such premises. No details given, right?
But these details have been seized from the premises of the lips and bounds.
You have got
Yes.
the details.
Yes, number 3. From the seizure from the lips and bounds.
You have received
Yes,
that.
yes.
Very well.
And I am examining this.
Is it in whose favor is it recorded? These flats, third, fourth, second, third, fourth, fifth,
Lips and bounds private limited.
in the name of leaps and bounds. Was it purchased?
Then property detail still I have not received. Details of the property. These
This
are the
is
only-
what the court wants to know regarding the speed in which you all are conducting the investigations. Why? When the court directed for production of the list of assets, I expected that it will come from you, because by this time you ought to have had the list of documents, list of assets of the company. You did not.
But ma'am,
So you called for, and this is what that has been supplied.
some of the documents we have, but not all details.
Is it not required?
No, I am trying, ma'am, and
You are trying.
collecting, because last search was conducted, and then after we are going against this company for procuring the list of bank accounts and list of property, and
Factory.
in the meantime,
Yes, in the meantime,
legal matters is also going on.
they will go on parallelly,
Ji.
because there will be attempts to stall the investigation.
I will submit all the details, ma'am.
It is not a matter of you submitting details. It's a matter of you collecting evidences, right? The factory, whether license was issued, whether permission was obtained for raising construction, how much is the area, what is the purpose of the factory, nothing is here. Plant and machinery, absolute blank. Investment in quoted shares, where are the details? Nothing is there.
Ma'am, details yet to be received.
You have it?
No,
You don't have it. Air conditioners, list of assets, air conditions are coming, details not received. 4 motor cars and 2 goods carrier, no details. And a cycle is also there. Is it a tricycle?
ma'am, this is
It must be a tricycle. Had it been a bicycle or a motorcycle, it would have been written, the number would have been there. So it's a tricycle. What?
I don't know, ma'am.
Or it's a Harley Davidson.
This list is received from third party.
The court is trying to point out
Ji.
that you all are not proceeding in the right earnest. I don't know the reason why. I'll come to the next one. 3. The next one, Sujoy Krishna Bhadro. He was there from 19th April 12 till 1st of March 2016.
I mean, he has been arrested by me,
Listen,
by ED.
what prompted you to arrest him? He left the job in 2016, and the first one is there till date. You did not feel it expedient to inquire from the first one?
Oh, ma'am, on the basis of earlier statement given by some of the accused person who is in judicial custody and arrested by ED, we found out this person was involved in money laundering. And then their bank statement, their details were scrutinized, and on the basis of certain details and extraction of his mobile data, we were in position to connect this person with the proceeds of crime, and therefore he was arrested.
You,
And then after,
yes.
role of leaps and bounds were surfaced.
Now you have got to know the role of leaps and bounds. Why will you not inquire from the other directors also? You can get some inputs. somebody who is still the director of the company, you do not inquire anything from him or her. You inquire from the person. That is all right. But then why don't you inquire from them also? They are responsible. They are the directors of the company.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Then why are you not conducting the investigation? This Sujoy Krishna Bhadra was arrested in May, you said. There was a voice recording done. Did you get the result of the voice recording? Did you conduct the test?
No, ma'am.
Why?
He was admitted in hospital and operation was done, and now he is in.
And now the voice is going to change, and now you will not be able to get hold of him. What do you want? You want the investigation to go, or you want it to be delayed in such a manner so that all the evidences are lost?
He wants the investigation to go.
Tell me one thing. Are you all trained in this conducting these type of investigations? Are you all trained? I just want to inquire for my satisfaction. Are you all trained? Mr. Bhattacharya, you can please take your seat, because I don't think your presence will be required. If you may leave, the court hours are over. But it was something which shocked the conscience of the court, and that is the reason I required their presence. And I am here just, please, everybody, you all can please take your seat. If there is a seat, please sit down. Are you all trained in conducting these type of investigations?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you must be knowing, because I told at the very first instance that I'm sure I'm speaking to persons who are the best investigating agencies, and you all must be the best ones. I would like to believe it that way. Right? So, but from the documents that are coming and the way that you all are proceeding, the speed in which you all are proceeding raises doubts. And I want to clear my doubts, and you are here for that purpose. The next